Ciao Tesla people, just got a notification that there is a software update. Let's go to the schedule, and it's the 2025.20.8. I thought it was the 2025.26, but in reality it's not. It's a bug and fix and improvements, but I think there is a couple of changes that I don't recall from a previous install. So let's check it out. Let's install it from the car. Let's install it now. To skip the 2 minutes to wait, you just tap here and it will start. That's it. So the installation is done. It took maybe 20 minutes, 25 minutes, not more. So the 55 minutes that was on the screen was way off. Anyway, minor fixes and improvements, so there is not much to talk about it here from Tesla officially, but from nottesla.com site I found at least two changes. So always the changes depends on your car, your model, your MCU, and your location. Of course, location is a big factor. Okay, so for example, the first change was forward collision warning improvements. It's not relevant here in Italy, but it's available for model S, 3X and Y with hardware 3. So forward collision warning is now accompanied by haptic feedback in addition to the audible and visual warnings. Warnings cancel automatically when the risk of a collision has been reduced. For a collision warning is enabled by default. Okay. Do I get a warning for the forward? I don't think so. So yeah, no. I have a haptic feedback on the steering wheel, whether, for example, I cross over the mid lanes, but not a collision warning. So yeah, it would be cool to have it because it's cool. I have a sound, but not an active feedback. And then the camera updates. And this is available worldwide for model Legacy Y with hardware 4. So I have a hardware 3, so it shouldn't apply to me. Your vehicle backup camera feed in the camera app now includes the button to toggle between the original narrow view and the wider view. Additional side cameras feeds have been enlarged to provide a wider field of view. Okay, now let's check it out. It doesn't apply to me, but let's check it out. So if I go to the camera feed, here there is yeah, I cannot zoom it, and there is this camera feed on the sides. So it doesn't apply to me, unfortunately. Yeah, so both changes that I think were relevant are not applying to me. And then the child left alone deduction is already, I think it was on a previous one, so I won't mention it. Anyway, looks like there are at least 2 new features for some cars and some hardware. They don't apply to me, unfortunately. We'll see some undocumented changes in the coming days, because this software update was rolling out in these days, probably from today. So I didn't see many people installing it. So we'll see if there are any undocumented changes in the coming days. So please leave a like, subscribe to the channel, turn on notifications, share it. Also, if you buy a Tesla, use my Tesla referral code. The link is in the description. You can get a discount, and I'll see you next video. Ciao Tesla people.